Well, good morning, YouTube family and those at Facebook. This is yours truly, DIY Apostle, with another adventure of do-it-yourself. I got a situation here. A church van window, the driver's side window, decided that it's a giveaway. So, won't go up, but it will go down. So we're in the process of redoing this ourselves, and as I can say, as many have said, jack of all trades, master of none, but we can get the job done. Remember, I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. Okay, it rained last night. Tropical storm Nicole came through, and I think I passed that up pretty good. Stop laughing, y'all. Hey, it did the job. It did the job. The window is completely down, but that plastic, actually the plastic was a trash bag. Yeah, them big long bags. That's what I did. So let me show you the parts that we have, things that I've purchased. Okay, here's a regulator for the window, and it's got a motor with it as well. And here's my power tool that I'm gonna use. There's some bits there. May need a screwdriver, I'm not sure, flathead. And those are drilled. Actually, those are puncher, like a puncher, because I'm gonna have to punch out some rivets. Of course, you know that as a hammer, handheld, and some masking tape to hold up the windows when I need it. Now, this set, this particular riveter, and also the puncher, I got both of those at Harvard Freight for $26. That was a good buy, I believe. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this here. All right, take down the plastic. So now I need to lift up the door, and this whole thing should come out. All right, that's the door. Let's set this aside. Now I have to be careful. I have to be careful how to take the plastic off, because I don't want to tear it nothing. So. It's not a hard job. This thing was a problem. Here are the rivets. Real problem. So, okay, I just purchased this riveter. Found out that you got to change this for the bigger sizes, and they're actually here. This is here, see? Oh, excuse me. See? It goes here. So I got to take this one off, put this on top of here. And it's a job. Now we got to put it back. Go. All right, let's see if this works. There we go. New regulator, new motor, fixed, DIY, Apostle. Did it again. Thank you.